Video 2, WebTrack files. Welcome to GNET 107, Introduction to Computer Applications for Technicians. In this video, we will talk about your book on CD and the WebTrack feature. The first thing you need to do is open your book on CD. In the Tracking Options dialog box, make sure you see your name and make sure that the Save Tracking Data box is checked. If you don't see your name, click Open and find your tracking file. Click OK to open the book on CD. It is going to take you to page 1. I will show you a little bit of how to navigate through the book. Now you're looking at page 1 of the digital textbook. Each page that you see on screen corresponds to a page in the printed book. You can jump to a section by clicking its icon on the chapter contents page. So if we wanted to jump to what's inside the system unit, I can click on it and it will take me to that particular page. You can navigate using the back and next buttons, or you can jump to any page by typing the page number. The book on CD includes computer-scored activities such as quick checks, interactive summaries, interactive situation questions, practice tests, skill tests, and concept maps. Part of this class is going to be doing the quick checks and skill tests at the end of the chapters. Go back to Chapter 1 and scroll down to Assessment. Fill in the boxes with your answers. When you click the Check Answers button, the computer checks your answers. You can see that it lets you know if you got the answer correct or not. It lets you know that it saved your answers in the tracking file. This goes back to the tracking file and why it's important. Anytime you want to see what is on your tracking file, click on the file on the menu bar. Then selecting View Tracking Report. This brings up a screen that shows everything in your tracking report. Close out that window. The other thing you can do with your tracking file is submit your tracking reports to me. You can use the main Book on CD menu to send data to me. Click on File and then Submit Tracking Data. It will ask for an email address. Enter GNET107@bridgevalley.edu. Click Continue. What that does is send your tracking file data via a web server. Double check that your name appears and click Submit. You will see a confirmation window. If those two steps do not work, please refer to the lecture notes for an alternate way of submitting your tracking file. This does require an internet connection. You can do the majority of the book on CD without internet, but you will need it when it comes time to submit your tracking file. You will be submitted the WebTrack files on regular intervals throughout the course. When you are finished using the book on CD, it will remind you where your tracking file is saved. Click OK to exit.